Hi, I'm Brian Jacks. Welcome to my apartment block here. We've got 68 apartments here. It's called View Dee Apartments. We've been here about 12 years and we are full of foreign people all over the world, so you're more than welcome to come. We've just come from the swimming pool, and if you follow me in, I'll show you one of the rooms. Open up one of the rooms and you can have a look around. I want you to test my bed actually, that's what I want you to see what my beds are like. This is one of my gentlemen that's staying here. He says he's from a different country, but really he's English. Come on, horse, come and say hello. Can I turn you on light on for a moment? Yeah. This is one of our smaller rooms, but horse was a manager of a hotel, believe it or not, in England, was it? But how long have you been here?
A year and a bit.
A year and a bit. Anyway, this is Horse. Okay, so Chuck, this is one of the slightly bigger rooms. This is a 1.5. It's all fully genned up with Wi-Fi, TV, all the channels, fan. We've got a little kind of a kitchen here. This one's empty, so we're just about doing it up. This is the bathroom and toilet here. We've got a little balcony and a little kitchen area, so if you want to cook anything. This is the bedroom. Hey, this bed's fantastic. These are real sex beds. You'll like this bed now. Okay, come on, let's go. What about that for a bed, eh?
Wow, that can handle that.
Hey, yeah, they're all the same. They've all got nice big sheets, nice big.
Yeah, it's got the nice sturdy edges.
Got the air conditioning up there, the fan, bedside lamp, everything, that whole bit.
And he's got the rail.
And
it's kind of a mini rail, but this is one thing as far as like, you know, it's always nice to have something to put your foot up on sometimes, you know? It's got the good height.
Yeah, well, I think we've covered everything in here.
Have you ever iceboxed your partner? Yeah, you got an icebox, you know?
Yeah.
It's kind of warm and things like that, and so you just open it up and you and your partner can enjoy the nice cool air while you're kind of going at it, you know? This is like a good height for it too, you know?
This seems...
Got the freezer.
This is a new one on me, this. I have to have a go at this, definitely. How about a cup of coffee downstairs in our restaurant, yeah?
Okay, great.
Yeah, come on, let's go. I'll turn the lights off here. Cafe in the front here. We've also got hairdressers in the corner there. There's a laundry over the other side of the road. There's apartments up the top here as well, which are much bigger, the big apartments at the top.
So you don't have to go far for food. You have the pool, you have all this sort of stuff. You have food. Good.
Reasonably priced. Portion, good taste.
Pizzas, alright. I love pizza.
I think I've covered most things. Then you've got the Sunday roast, that'll be every Sunday.
And desserts, that looks delicious.
Make our own pies. So that's blueberry pie.
Oh wow, very nice.
These are good as well, the smoothies, soft drink.
So shall we take a look at the pool?
We certainly can.
You know, I actually wanted to be a stuntman when I was a kid.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, staying in town, this is definitely the cozy resort. Very peaceful and relaxing. Yeah, it's very nice. Alright, so this has been a great tour. Thank you for showing me around.
Great, it's been a pleasure.
So if you get a chance, you definitely come to stay here. Thank you very much.
He's a funny guy, isn't he? Look, I've got a... My goodness, you've got no... We got rid of him. If he doesn't come and stay here, he's going in there every time he comes back.